Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, today we have a lot of animals, guys. We have wild animals, we have farm animals. So guys, we're gonna collect them one by one. So guys, let's start with the farm animals, guys. Let's see who is first, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cute and beautiful, amazing, very milky animal. This is cow. Wow guys, this cow is looking super cool, guys. Look at the white and black color combination. Wow, look at the very cool black design on his white body. This is such a cool. Look at the milk, guys. Very milky cow figure, guys. Wow, very beautiful cow, guys. Let's side this, guys. In this box, we're gonna side all the animals in this tray. So guys, let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, look guys, look at this. This is such a cute and beautiful animal, guys. Farm animal. This is swamp deer. Wow guys, this swamp deer is super cute, guys. Look at the very cool huge horns. Wow, very beautiful swamp deer, guys. Wow, very realistic design, super cool. This is swamp deer, guys. Let's click this swamp deer. Now let's see who is that, guys. Oh wow guys, look at this, guys. This is orange color, very beautiful animal. This is the fastest horse. Cool, guys. Look at the very cool black color hair on his back and very cool tail hair. Wow, this is such a cool, the fastest amazing animal. This is orange horse. Wow, very beautiful horse, guys. Fastest horse. Let's side this. Let's see his next one. Oh guys, this is such a cool and amazing farming animals. This is hen. Wow guys, this hen looking super cool, guys. Yellow and red and black color combination. Wow, this hen looking super cool, guys. Very beautiful hen, guys. Let's side this hen. Let's see who is next. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is such a cool farming animal, guys. This is goat. Wow guys, this goat figure looking super cool, guys. Look at the very cool black and yellow and white color combination. Wow, very beautiful goat, guys. Wow, very beautiful goat figure, guys. Wow, very realistic, high quality goat figure, guys. Let's side this. Let's see who is next. Oh wow guys, look at the orange and yellow color combination animal, guys. This is the farm animal. This is camel.
Cool. Camel.
Wow guys, this camel is super amazing, guys. Look at the orange and yellow and white color combination camel figure, guys. Wow, this camel is looking super realistic, very high quality camel figure, guys. Wow, camels are very useful animal, guys. Let's side this. Let's see who's next. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is such a cute and farming animal, guys. This is very cute sheep. Wow guys, this sheep is super cute, guys. Yellow and white color combination sheep. Look at the round horns of this sheep, guys. Super realistic. Wow, look at the hair. Very beautiful sheep figure, guys. Wow, this is sheep is farming animal. Let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is such a cool and amazing, very strong farming animal. This is bull. Wow guys, this bull is looking super cool, guys. Look at the very realistic design. Look at the full black color body. Look at the huge horns. This is very realistic bull figure, guys. Look at the very cool, amazing of blue eyes, guys, of this bull. Wow, very huge bull, guys. So side this. Let's see who's next. Oh wow guys, look at this. This is squirrel, guys. Wow, this is squirrel. Wow, this squirrel looking super amazing. Look at the tail of this squirrel, orange and white color combination. Look at the black eyes. This is such a cute squirrel figure, guys. Wow, very realistic squirrel, guys. Super high quality squirrel figure. Let's aside this. Let's see this next. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool and cute animal, guys. This is our favorite animal. This is deer. Wow, guys, this deer is super cute, guys. Super realistic. Look at the horns of this deer. Wow, very beautiful deer figure. Wow, I just love the deers, guys. This is such a cute, beautiful deer figure, guys. Wow, let's aside this. Let's see who's next. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cute white color bird, guys. This is duck. Wow, guys, this duck is super cute, guys. Quack, 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 quack. Look at the very cool blue eyes of this duck, guys. Wow, very beautiful duck figure, guys. Super realistic, high quality duck. Quack, 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 quack. Wow, let's aside this. Let's see this next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at the orange color combination, guys. Look at the very cool back. Wow, this is camel. Wow, guys, this camel looking super cool, guys. Look at the orange color body. Look at the very cool back. Look at the very huge neck. Wow, this is such a cute camel figure. Wow, very beautiful camel, guys. Wow, very realistic, high quality orange camel. So like this, let's see who's next. Oh wow, guys, look at this very huge horn of this very amazing black deer. Wow, guys, these black deers are very rare animal, guys. Wow, look at the full black color design, very huge horns. Look at the white legs. Wow, beautiful. This is full of black color black deer figure, guys. Very beautiful deer, black deer, guys. So side these. Let's see what's next. Oh wow, guys, look at it. This is such a cute full of white color combination animal. This is rabbit. Wow, guys, this rabbit is super cute, guys. Look at the very cute pink color ears or brown color eyes, white color body. This is such a cute rabbit figure, guys. Wow, very beautiful rabbit, guys. So side this. Let's see this next. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cute and amazing, very amazing animal. This is pet dog. Wow, guys, this pet dog is super cute, guys. This is very cute pet dog, guys. Very realistic design, super high quality, guys. This is pet dog figure, guys. Look at the very cool hair on his body. Very beautiful pet dog figure. Let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, this is very cool white, black and white color combination animal. Very cute, guys. This is panda. Wow, guys, this panda figure is super cute, guys. Super realistic, very high quality panda figure. Wow, this is super cute panda figure, guys. Wow, very beautiful panda. So side this. Let's see what's next. Oh guys, we got another yellowish color animal, guys. This is dog. Wow, guys, this is also pet dog, guys. Super cute dog. Look at the very cool yellow color hair on his body. It's such a cute pet dog figure, guys. Wow, very beautiful pet dog, guys. Let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cute gray and white color combination. Such a cute animal. This is koala. Koala figure. Very beautiful design, super high quality, very realistic, guys. This is koala figure. Wow, this koala is looking super cool, guys. Guys, we collected all of the farm animals. Now it's turn for the wild animals, guys. So let's unbox them one by one. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a huge animal, guys. Very strong and the king of the jungle. This is lion. Wow, guys, this lion looking super cool, guys. Look at the hair around his body. Look at the very cool brown color body. This is very huge lion figure, guys. Wow, lions are our favorite animal, guys. Let's side this. Let's see it next. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a huge wild animal, guys. Very huge wild animal. This is elephant. Wow, guys, this elephant is super huge, guys. Look at the huge sharp teeth of this elephant and long tongue, guys. This is such a huge elephant figure, guys. Wow, this elephant looking super realistic, guys. Look at the color design, very beautiful. Look at the amazing skin. This is elephant. Let's side this. Let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is tallest animal in the jungle. This is giraffe. Wow, guys, the giraffe is super cool, guys. Yellow, red and white color combination giraffe. Very huge neck, very huge legs. This is giraffe, guys. Wow, so side this giraffe, guys. Let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool dog. Very cool, fastest animal in the world. This is cheetah. Wow, guys, this cheetah is looking super cool, guys. The fastest animal in the world, guys. This is cheetah figure, guys. Wow, cheetahs are very beautiful animal, guys. They are the fastest animals in the world. So now let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very cool brown color combination animal. This is brown bear. Wow, guys, this brown bear is super cool, guys. Look at the full of brown color combination. Very huge design. Super cute, realistic design, guys. Wow, very beautiful brown bear, guys. What's next, guys? Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very huge, amazing animal, guys. Look at the very cool posture. This is very amazing gorilla. Look. Wow, guys, this gorilla figure is super cool, guys. Very realistic design, full of black color combination. Look at the very cool face. This is gorilla figure. Wow, very beautiful gorilla, guys. Let's see who is next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool, very amazing, huge animal. This is rhino. Wow, guys, this rhino is looking super cool, guys. Look at the huge horn, gray and orange color combination. This is super huge rhinoceros. Wow, very beautiful rhinoceros, guys. Let's side this. Let's see who's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is very beautiful, the muscly animal. Very cool, amazing muscles it has, guys. This is very amazing lioness. Wow, guys, this lioness is looking super cool, guys. Look at the very huge body he has. Wow, very beautiful lioness figure, guys. Wow, this is lioness, guys. Let's collect this lioness. Let's side this. So it's next, guys. Oh wow, look at this, guys. This is such a cool, the amazing fast animal. This is wildebeest. Wow, guys, wildebeest is super cool, guys. Look at the hair of this wildebeest on his back, guys. Wow, black and brown color combination wildebeest, guys. Wow, super realistic. Look at the hair on his amazing chest, guys. Wow, this is wildebeest, guys. So side this. Let's see what's next, guys. Oh wow, guys, look at it. This is full of white snow, white combination color. Look at the black color mouth. This is very amazing polar bear. Look. Wow, guys, this snow polar bear looking super cool, guys. They live in the snow, guys. Look at the white color combination. This is very cute and white polar bear, guys. This is wild animal, guys. Let's side this. Let's see who is next. Oh wow, guys, look at this. This is such a huge mouth animal, guys. They live in the water and the ground too. This is hippopotamus.
Oh my god! Ooh.
Wow guys, hippopotamus is super huge guys. Look at the orange and gray color combination. Very huge mouth, sharp teeth. This is hippopotamus figure guys. Very beautiful hippopotamus guys. So beside this, guys, we collected all of the wild animals guys, and all of the farm animals. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video guys. If you did enjoy, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, Super Animal Box channel, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye guys. Love you guys. Take care guys. Subscribe guys. Love you guys. Look how many animals we have here and how many we collected today. Bye guys. Love you guys.